We are all aboard, everyone. Please, no switching seats at this time. Please remain seated. Let's keep them hands and arms, feet and legs inside the train, please. Thank you.
Welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Railroad. We're about to take a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom, with stops along the way at Frontierland and Fantasyland. Sit tight and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're leaving Main Street Station right now, so wave it goodbye. But if you stay on board long enough, why, sooner or later, you'll be back.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
For an old conductor like me, there's no better place to ride the rails than the Magic Kingdom. By the way, we're traveling on pure steam power. This old locomotive is descended from the mighty trains that powered the golden age of steam. And just like me, it's a little old-fashioned. Now, where else can you travel from the charm of Main Street, USA to the untamed jungles of Africa, Asia, and South America?
Legs inside the train, please, everyone. Thank you.
Headed straight to the heart of Adventureland. It can get pretty wild in these parts, especially if you run into Captain Jack Sparrow. He's hiding out among those scurrilous pirates of the Caribbean. But whether you're boarding a boat for the Jungle Cruise or flying on Aladdin's magic carpets, when you visit Adventureland, bring an extra dose of bravery. As for me, I'll stay safe and sound right here aboard my train, if you don't mind. The Wild West of the Magic Kingdom, Frontierland. This outpost is home to covered wagons, cowpokes, and country bears. And we've got our own mountain range of exciting adventures. You might catch a runaway mine train at Big Thunder Mountain, or hop on over to Splash Mountain and join Brer Rabbit for a 50-foot drop straight down into the Briar Patch. We've reached Frontierland Station, everyone, so sit tight until we've come to a complete stop. If you're disembarking here, please carry your strollers all the way off the platform before you unfold them. That'll help make room for the new passengers joining us. Watch your step now. This is Frontierland Station.
Hey everyone, we're now entering Frontierland Station, so please remain seated until the train comes to a complete and total stop. Please do not exit the vehicle until I give you the all clear. Have a ways to go, everyone. Please remain seated. Please remain seated, everyone. Please remain seated, everyone. We are all clear. Please watch your step on exiting the vehicle. Please do not open your strollers until you have completely cleared the platform. Have a nice day, everyone. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Walt Disney World Railroad. Please sit smaller children at the center of the car with the responsible adult on the open right-hand side. Please remain seated at all times with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. And for the safety and comfort of those around, there will be no eating, drinking, or smoking while on board. Our next stop will be Fantasyland. We have been cleared for forward motion, everyone. We are all aboard. Please, no switching seats at this time.
Howdy, folks. If you're just joining us, welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Railroad. We're headed for Fantasyland and to Main Street, USA. Everybody stay seated. Keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
You'll pass by the dusty desert town of Tumbleweed. And keep your eyes peeled for the runaway mine trains of Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Runaway trains. Now I ask, is that any way to run a railroad?